Alright guys, welcome back to the Fierce Hot Wheel. This is an exciting day. On Christmas Day, my son got this racetrack. Anyways, we haven't opened it yet because we had other stuff going on anyways. And right now, it's time to open it.
I'm gonna be that car.
So, let's just open it slightly.
This is
Sorry guys. Аккуратно. Не рви, no.
Let's open a carefully.
Alright guys, let's just pull it out.
Yeah.
Pull it out. Сейчас. Alright. Тихо. Не рви коробку, чтобы потом обратно положить. Alright guys, I'm going to put on pause and we're going to do it. Alright guys, we got out of the box. So here you go. This is what all the bits and pieces. This is what we're going to have to put stickers on them. But anyways, we'll just assemble it right now. I'll put stickers on them later. But they will going to be on the... And there's the owner's manual. So let's just... No, Bella, Plazzi. We're going to put it inside and... but meanwhile, we'll just assemble it and do a couple of test runs with them. So here you go.
This truck from a toy... from a real...
Toy Story.
Toy Story. It's from a Toy Story.
Alright, and this is the Hot Wheels. Here's the toys, as you see.
This one is
What's going to happen if the car flies in here? This is going to be saving or they fly out. Anyways, so we're going to assemble it. We're going to do a test run and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, here it is. We got the Bugs. I mean not Bugs Bunny, sorry, but Toy Story. Got assembled. The stickers aren't put on yet. I got the toys cars here. And we're going to do a little test run on it. That's his toys. So he's going to have to do it first. Давай. Wow, look at that. You saved. Yes. Ну-ка, ударь. А посильнее ударь. Попробуй. Сильно ударь. Ну-ка. Wow. Hooray. He scored. Anyways, we got the scoreboard right here. As you see, we're going to have the 500, 1,000 score. Also, if you launch it and the blue bucket, try again. So anyways, this is what happens. If you make in the blue bucket, it parks right here. So, anyways, they're all gonna have a choice to do that.